Oh no.
I'm making a part 2 anyway.
Oh shoot! What was that?
What was what?
What the heck is that thing? Just blew my boat away. What we call a tornado? Yeah, and I thought I was doing good. I lost.
Tisk,
Oh, we got
tisk,
48 gold. That's
tisk.
amazing.
I'm getting my Bugatti Diva. It doesn't look good, but I mean, I tried.
Alright, bro. I am going to load in my save. And I'm going to add some stuff to it. Let's go. Okay, first of all, I'm going to add that.
You sure you don't want?
Oh, come on, bro.
Who did that?
I wasn't ready. Why would you start? I just respawned, bro. Why would you start? I didn't start it. I wasn't freaking ready. Jackson, did he start?
Yeah, he did. I didn't start.
You didn't I didn't either. What? So that's just weird.
I only voted it, but it was only 2.5. I don't know how. I didn't. He did, I think. Unless you misclicked.
I didn't even click it at all.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know, man. That is weird.
I know, man. I know.
Okay. Well, can I start? Gavin?
Yeah, you can start whatever.
Okay. I guess I can't since no one else is agreeing to starting, so it's not starting.
Hey, bro, I'm in my Bugatti right now. I'm halfway there. I'm making a part 2 right now.
Yay. Bro, it's not starting.
Hey, yo, what? Why did you put the liquid? Bro, why? Oh. Yeah, you might be cooked. Jackson's AFK, so yeah.
I want to freaking start. Can you press start?
I can't. I already voted it last time. So it can't let me do it again when I relaunched. Sorry, man.
Because I can't start for some reason. It says 1 out of 2.
Yeah, no.
Oh my god, I can find an epic chest. Let's see what's in the epic chest. Oh, lots of blocks. Ooh, lots of blocks. Lots of blocks. Okay, nice. I'm gonna buy a rare now. That's why not. Wow. And then I'm gonna buy one more rare since I have enough money.
But do not start it. Do not start it. I'm doing my little hypothesis thingy. It's called harpooning.
I already tried starting, man. What the hell is this? This is so big. It's like a hypothesis thing.
Yeah, what he said.
Yeah, how about that?
No, dude. Oh yeah, you know, add that. I could use a little yeah,
That's
kickstart
right.
to it. Wait. Oh yeah, that's your thrusters. It's your thrusters, man.
Bro, guys, can we start?
Yeah, wait, Jackson, take it off.
Like what off?
the thrusters, man.
Why? Guys, let's start.
Yeah, I know, but Jackson,
We'll make it more dramatic. Jackson, can we start? Yeah. Okay, no bombs.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there it goes. What is this guy doing?
I have no idea.
Oh, there it goes. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Are you going, Brayden? Concert?
What?
Are you?
We gotta eat soon now. Like in a couple minutes. Okay. Hey guys, in a couple minutes I gotta go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jackson, no, dude, no. Actually, stop.
Oh shoot.
You weren't supposed to do that, Jackson. I'm not feeling like it today, okay? Bro, please stop trolling me, please. I'm actually serious this time.
Oh yeah. My gosh. What the? You want me to have some more?
Oh yeah, sure, I don't care. It's actually working.
Yeah, no problem. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Shoot. Oh, I'm dead. Now how do I hit this thing? Again, where is it?
I deleted it. It did work.
Redo it.
Hey, Brayden, while you still want to build the boat and finish it?
Hey, I'm building my own boat here.
Oh.